Whoa, guys. What is up, everyone? Hell yeah. For me anyways, it's still March 4th. I'm heading to work. Whoa. She's kind of raining out, so I'm going, wet snow, like very. I'm gonna try to keep wiping the camera off. Oh, that slush is a workout. Oh, right here sucks. Oh, those tracks are always slippery. Slippery. Whoa. Almost went down there too. And that's going in the middle of the road. It looks the safest. Maybe not. Bloody rain. Wet snow. What the heck? Whoa. This is crazy but fun. I don't mind it. Yeehaw. Any kind of conditions, I ride the Navi. I wouldn't want to take my VTX 1300 out in this crap. That would be interesting. I'd probably drop it a million times. Starting to see snowbanks around this town. City roads are definitely a lot cleaner than the backcountry roads. Oh, that means green light, go. Oh, got no traction. Oh, can we make this other green light? Oh, guys. Oh, maybe. Oh, God, we're doing it, guys. Whew. We did it. I kind of got the visor down. Keep wanting to clean the freaking camera off. I don't know when to, camera off. It takes a long way to work. Very long way. Okay, how is this road cleaner than the rest? Wrong side of the road, better get on my, oh God. Not bad, not bad, not bad, guys. Oh yeah, like I said in the other video, pretty soon it's gonna be hot. Plus like 40 Celsius. Oh, I'm gonna love it. Sun beaming down, getting sunburnt. Can't wait for the first long ride on the VTX. Hey, strange how these roads are super clear. Oh, I got all kinds of stuff in my pocket that's bouncing out. Shoot. Yeah, why not? Whoa! Hee-haw! I thought a dog was gonna come out. I had to stop almost. I was like, oh no, I'll have to lay the bike down. I don't want to hit the puppy dog. When I say that, laying the bike down and this kind of stuff is nothing. You just slide. Oh, stop. Oh yeah, I ain't going that way. Ooh, plow lost some sand. Oh, Trippy, what are you doing? Oh, yeah. Okay, guys. This is going to be a challenging road. Yeehaw. Oh, I should have put my visor down. That's okay. Okay. It's icy. There we go. I can see it out of my visor again. Oh, God. Come on. Yeehaw. Oh, there's a car coming on this road. I can't get over. Come on. There we go. Yeah, we're doing. Oh, right in the snow. Oh, get out of that. Whew. It gets hot in the helmet so fast. It's so icy out here. We got it. We did it. Okay. Oh, I better check my pocket. Oh, now I'm stuck. Okay, just burn rubber. Oh yeah, it's getting deep here. Whew. Oh, that's gonna be a workout. Okay. Oh, there we go. A bit better. Oh. Whew. Whew. No, thank you. Plowed roads today, only too much packy snow for side roads. Even though this is a side road. Oh God. It's a bus. Whee! Almost died by City of Belleville bus. Okay. Get out to this pavement. Oh. Yeah, there we go. Whew. Oh, whew, we did it. I'm out of breath. I'm tired. I gotta work out. Yep. Oh look, pavement. Yeah. Oh, snow. Ah, I wonder what the roads are gonna be like when I get off work. Oh, you disaster. Oh. Hey, I didn't think this was gonna be plowed. Wow. Interesting. What are you doing with buckets of snow? Okay, well, we need to, I don't know. I figured it would be easier to shovel than putting it in a bucket and trying to lift a bucket of snow. Oh, yeah. Okay. So, whoa, guys. Oh my God. Woo! Oh my God, that was priceless, guys. I don't know how I didn't high side or low side. Whew. Oh, that was everything in my pockets. Oh my freaking God. Okay. Oh, that was priceless. That was perfect. Hell yeah, guys. Have a great day. Stay tipsy, stay tripping, and stay riding. Cheers, y'all.